Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a party ledger in Excel. We'll start by setting up your spreadsheet with essential columns to track all financial interactions. This guide will help you organize money owed and received, ensuring clarity in your party accounts. You'll learn to easily input data and maintain an accurate record of every transaction. This simple method makes managing your party finances straightforward and stress-free, saving you time and effort. Now let's set up your Excel sheet. Begin by creating 5 clear columns: date, description, debit, credit, and balance. It's crucial to format the debit, credit, and balance columns as currency to ensure all monetary values are displayed correctly. For the balance column, you'll use a simple formula. This formula will automatically update the running balance with each new entry, making your ledger dynamic and easy to follow. This setup forms the backbone of your efficient party ledger. Recording transactions is straightforward. For every financial interaction, enter the date and a clear description in their respective columns on a new row. If money is paid out, input that amount into the debit column. Conversely, if money is received, place that amount in the credit column. Always double-check that your running balance updates automatically with each entry. This consistent approach ensures your ledger remains accurate and provides a real-time overview of your party's financial standing. Finally, it's time to analyze and finalize your ledger. Review the final balance to clearly understand the net financial position of the party. This step helps you quickly identify any discrepancies or missing entries, allowing for immediate corrections. An accurate ledger provides valuable insights for future planning. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Maintaining a precise ledger ensures transparency and accountability in all your party's financial dealings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.